In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find a transaction hash ID, also known as a txid, on Binance. Whether you're trying to track a deposit, verify a withdrawal, or simply want to keep your records organized, this step-by-step guide will make it easy to locate and use your transaction details efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll be able to access your transaction hash ID confidently and quickly. First, open your Binance app on your mobile device. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Logging in is essential because it gives you access to your transaction history and all your funds. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen. From here, look for the Assets section. This is your main hub for viewing all your balances and activity. Tap on Assets, then select Spot. The Spot account is where the majority of your trading activity happens, so it's usually the first place to check for transaction details. Next, click on the History option, which is marked by a small clock icon. This will take you to a comprehensive list of your most recent transactions. Think of this page as your personal digital ledger, reflecting everything that's happened in your account. To make the search faster, select the type of transaction you're looking for: withdraw, deposit, or transfer. Choosing the correct category will filter out unrelated transactions and save you time. Once you've selected the transaction type, scroll through the list and tap on the specific transaction you need. This will open a detailed view, giving you all the important information related to that transaction. Here, you'll find the transaction hash, or txid. The txid is a unique identifier for each transaction, like a digital fingerprint, which allows you to independently verify it on the blockchain. Simply tap on the txid to copy it to your clipboard. This makes it easy to share or track externally if needed. To make the process smoother, make sure your app is updated and that you're logged in securely. Doing this beforehand prevents any errors or delays. Once you've copied the txid, you can use it to verify the transaction on blockchain explorers or send it to someone for verification. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to find any transaction hash ID on Binance quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made tracking your transactions easier. If this helped, share it with someone who might need it.